FFW!
Programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
Oh, SVR!
EAS County and for Hood County until 10 o'clock. Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicate thunderstorms producing heavy rain.
Oh, so it is an FFW.
Between 1 to 3 inches has already fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 1.5 inches per hour, and additional rainfall amounts 2 to 3 inches are possible, so flash flooding is either ongoing or imminent. Once again, a flash flood warning issued for northeastern ERAF and for Hood County until 10 o'clock. Strong thunderstorms dropping heavy rain across ERAF and Hood County. You can see another 2 to 3 inches of rain in those areas. Flood watch is in effect for the entire North Texas area. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay this to tonight.
Just in time. And I do apologize for the blurry camera quality. I think my camera's a little dirty. I'm gonna clean it off here. You motherfucking piece of shit. Fucking camera recorder.
Heavy rain along the Parker-Terrence County line. Between 1 to 2 inches of rain has already fallen, and the expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches per hour. So additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible. Flash flooding flood warning over Parker and Terrence counties we activated for ERAF and Hood County just a few minutes ago. Those storms may actually be producing a little bit of hail now.
Okay, I fucking love my camera recorder. It refused to start recording, so I missed over half the goddamn alert. Plus, it wasn't coming in clearly. That was shit. That was complete and utter shit.